Legarithm on the call. The iGaming industry is rich in a large number of complex and sometimes unclear terms that are important for your business. When it comes to website accessibility, such terms include domain name and mirror, which are used quite often and in practice can easily confuse anyone. Let's take a look at what these terms mean in the context of licensing. Let's start with the domain name. A domain name is a unique address by which a website can be found in the public, that is, on the internet. It's a part of the URL that allows users to easily find, visit, and remember specific resource. A domain name has characteristics, in particular the need to register and convert it through the domain name system, which makes it possibility to link the domain name to the IP address of a web server. If you are wondering how a domain name works, here's the answer. When you enter a domain name into a browser, the domain name system translates it into the IP address of the server where the web page is hosted. Therefore, the domain name is the primary way people can find a website. For example, in the web address www.page.example.com is the domain name. Okay, we have covered the domain name, but what does a mirror mean? A mirror or mirror website is a copy of the main website, the primary domain name. Mirrors are used to ensure the availability of a resource, even in the event of failure on the main server or restriction on access to it. The key feature of the mirror is that it contains all the same pages, content, and functionality as the main site. It is essentially an extra server used to ensure access to the content. How does a mirror work? A mirror is configured to copy all the content of the main website onto other server. For example, if the main site has high traffic or is under threat of attacks, a mirror can help to reduce the load of the primary resource. Users can access the mirror site via separate URL, for example, example1.com, examplecasino.com, which functions as an exact copy of the main resource. In summary, a domain name is the address where your website is located, while a mirror is an exact copy of the website, accessibility through another domain or server to ensure stable and access. If you need more information, Legarithm can help you with it. Thank you for watching, subscribe and get notification on. See you soon!